Dude, that looks fucking sick. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. For our 300 subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make some rice. I'm just kidding. Okay, that wasn't funny. 4 months ago we did a wide body on the RSX. Well, now we're gonna do a ricer wide body kit on this 2004 Celica GT. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the kit that my cousin Tommy picked up at Basin R. So the front bumper's already on. How do you guys like it? Pretty rice, right? Pretty nice. Rice is the new nice. You got the flared front fender, and then you have the side skirts, which have another flare in the rear, which connects to another flare to the bumper. First things first, we gotta take the rear bumper off. So let's take it off. Ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. What ass? That ass. I was talking about the bumper, dog. Does this need to come off? What? We're gonna take his side rocker panels off so we can mock those side skirts on, and then we can finally line up this rear flare. Oh, look, the fucking princess came out of his room. Hey, you want to tell him where the fuck your RSX has been?
Right there, dog.
Right there.
I'm working 4 hours, man.
Fuck fiberglass. That
Yes.
shit got some shitty ass fitment. Why are we doing this? Rice car.
Celica was born in okay, all the way down, huh?
You couldn't get it to fit the other way, but it fits on the fucking look. See, it just oh, see, it just fits.
Here, teamwork makes the dream work, right? I didn't get that.
Damn, so who did the wide body better? The RSX or the rice cooker?
The RSX, dog. The rice cooker, dog. RSX.
Dude, that looks fucking sick. Well, that concludes today's vlog or whatever. The car's there. Oh, check out B's new whip. That's why he's neglecting the RSX. Anyways, so the downside is not everything lines up perfectly. That's the flaws with fiberglass. But you know, this kit was made back in like 2000 something, so it's whatever. We're doing this for fun. Like I said, I teach you how to make rice. The 2000s wide body kit is finished. Well, not finished, but we temporarily mocked it up just to see if everything fit. And then we're gonna go ahead and send it to the body shop and get everything bondoed smooth so we can mold the kit to the car. Rice, but kind of nice. Rice is the new nice. Don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.